Did you know you can make money writing stories and earn up to $8,000 on GoodNovel? And if you have never followed Schedule before, in this video, I'll show you step by step how the GoodNovel Writers Reward Plan works and how you can start earning from your creativity today. So that there's nothing bad if you are getting this amount of money on the completion of your book. As you can see, when completed for 150,000 words to 2,000 words, you're getting this total profit share of $40, and for the completion bonus you're getting paid $250, and for another one you are getting paid $325, and another one right you're getting $400. So guys, this is simply amazing, and this is something you can actually do for free. So guys, if you are actually coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you actually like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, now simply show you how you can actually get started. You simply want to go to goodnovel.com, and the first thing you want to do is make sure you actually sign in or create an account. Alright, you can see right here, click on an account right here. And now after that, you still want to come to where you see writer benefits, and you want to click on the writer rewards. And this is it, guys. Now you simply want to get access to GoodNovel Writer Rewards Plan 2025. Now, guys, here you simply write and make money, right? Now you only need 5,000 words to apply for a contract, and you just need 5,000 words to get started, right? And GoodNovel offers two types of contract as following. Now they have exclusive and non-exclusive contracts, and for the exclusive, it involves signing bonus plus completion bonus plus monthly attendance bonus plus standing out bonus. Alright, so guys, if your book stand out or if your novel stand out, you are simply getting the standing out bonus. And another one is non-exclusive, which is $50 non-exclusive reward plus profit share. Now, when the book is completed on GoodNovel first and as 150,000 words or more, guys, you are going to get at least amount of money right there. And for the exclusive reward, for the signing up bonus, for the signing bonus, you're going to get you're going to get $100 will be added to your account when your exclusive book reaches 30,000 euros. So guys, this is something you can actually do for free, right? And this for MAB, you're going to particularly $150 MAB, you need to update any one of your exclusive books with more than 50,000 words and 25 days within a calendar month. So guys, you can simply go through it so that with the commission bonus, you can actually get this where you actually complete your novel right here, 50, 25, 100, and so on. And guys, this another one for the standing out bonus for 300,000 words plus 3,000 views, you're going to get this amount of money right there, which is simply amazing. Alright, so guys, now for the commission bonus, you're going to get this. And guys, if you still have higher bonuses, all these you can actually get access to. Now, to actually get started, you simply want to click on apply right here to actually get started. Now, this is simply what you want to do. You want to, before you sign your contract, guys, you simply want to write a novel right here on the GoodNovel. Alright, on GoodNovel. So guys, you want to come up with your title, and guys, the use of AI is highly prohibited. So guys, you simply want to write using your head. And guys, now let me simply come up with a title with the writing space. Alright, so guys, now after that, you simply want to come here where you see recommended book covers. You simply want to click on it. So guys, when you click on it, you'll be able to actually get a book cover for yourself. Alright, now simply want to come here. Maybe you want from this, or let me say werewolf. Now let me click on the here, right? Let me click on the this. Now let me go for this. Alright, let me go for that. And after that, so right there, I have my cover right there. And guys, now if your target audience, what do you want? Is it male or female? I'm saying male. And content rating 18 plus. And the novel type is original or fan fiction. You simply want to indicate maybe it's fan fiction or original. And the genre right there, you simply want to indicate also. After that, you want to make sure you are adding tags. All right. So now you simply want to click on this. Maybe you want action, drama. Alright, so I want to discuss about this. So guys, this is just for the purpose of this tutorial. Alright, this is just for the purpose of this tutorial. And alright, I'm back settings. So guys, you can write as much as possible, so that you can keep writing right here on this platform. So I just want to after that, you click on OK. And after that, guys, now you can also participate in this and participate and get this bonus right here. Look, I simply want to continue with this. So, guys, you still want to write a description for your story with 20 to 300 words. So, guys, here is the description for my story. I simply paste it right here. And also, after that, I'll click on the create. Simply click on create. As you can see right here, congratulations, you have created the book successfully. After that, guys, you can also participate in this, all right? Now, I simply want to come down, guys. Maybe in my subsequent videos, I'll be showing you how you can participate in this contest and make money from it, all right? So now, I simply want to click on the start writing. So, guys, now you want to start with your first chapter. Okay. Now, let me give it a name. In the forms of the writing. Alright, let me go with that. So that just for the purpose of this tutorial, right? So if you want me to show you how you can actually do this using AI, there's a course on this. It's not everything we talk about on YouTube. So guys, if you want me to show you, simply reach out. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. So guys, now you simply want to click on publish, or let me save this. So guys, now for you to actually for your novel to actually get approved, it has to be 5,000 US. All right. So guys, you simply want to publish this, and after that, you want to sign the contract. Now there's another thing right here. There's another thing I want you to go to, guys, the FAQ. Now, if you're close about anything, you simply want to come here. When will I get my income under the new plan? The new plan will start from February 24, 2025, and the income in February will be transferred. Now, so guys, if you are close about anything, you simply want to come here and simply get access to it, guys. If you are finding this helpful, please hit the like button. It helps more people discover like this online income opportunities like this. And don't forget to subscribe to Logic Income Academy for more proven ways to make money. Alright. And so now, guys, you know how to make money writing stories on the GoodNovel. The next step is to actually click the link in the description to sign up and watch my next video on the best site also pay you instantly. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.